500 members, and thank you so much for your love and support. Now to extend our family, we need your love and support on each of our videos. And to cherish this moment, we have made a beautiful cake for you all. So now let's cut the cake. Let's cut the cake! Yay! Each and every moment in our life is important, and 500 plus subscribers are a part of our family now. So enjoy! This is for you all. Have it! Yummy. To know the recipe of this wonderful red velvet cake, we have made a video for you all. So let's move on to the video.
Let's begin with the procedure. First thing first, preheat the oven or whatever baking mode you are using. I am using aluminium vessel. Keep a rack into the vessel and cover it with a tight lid. First ingredient is red velvet premix. Here I am using ready-made premix, which I also sell it in my society and nearby area. This has made baking very convenient without any hassle of measuring the ingredients. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil and about a half cup of water. Don't add the entire cup of water. Add it very slowly, looking at the consistency required. For making the batter correctly, I am using cut and fold method. This helps in making the cake spongy. The consistency should be like this.
For you all subscribers.
Okay, now the batter is ready. Grease the container thoroughly with very little amount of oil in it. Spread all-purpose flour evenly so that the cake would easily comes out of the container. Pour the batter into it and spread it evenly. Tap the container properly to burst out the bubbles if any. Now it's time to bake the cake. It will take hardly half an hour to finish the baking process. Now let's start with the frosting process. Take 200 grams of cream cheese, half a cup of granulated sugar and few drops of vanilla essence. Now gently cream it with sugar. Whisk it very slowly as over whisking can break the cheese. Gently whisk till the time sugar dissolves in it. Just to lighten it up, we will add a little whipped cream into this first so that whisking gets easier. Now let's fold the whipped cream into it. Yay! The frosting is ready. Refrigerate the frosting until you apply it to the cake. It's time to check the cake. Yes, it's perfectly baked. Remove the cake from the container. Cake has become really very spongy. Now cut the cake in half with the help of knife. Look at that red color. Can't wait to eat the cake. Now apply the cream cheese frosting with the help of palette knife in the middle portion of the cake. Now it's time for the final decorating part. Apply the frosting evenly with the help of scraper now. Plane it out the upper portion properly. Now let's decorate the cake with the help of some nozzles. And yes, if you have watched our video so far, then Give the video a big thumbs up, and yes, don't forget to subscribe our channel as it's totally free. This will mean a lot to us. Now it's time to write the 500 plus on the cake. We both are so happy that we have crossed 500 subscribers. Now there is much more to achieve. This is the final look of the cake. Thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. We really greatly appreciate your love and support which you have given us throughout our journey. Keep supporting us because we need to increase our lovely family. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.